So just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame, and as we can see, looking like we're actually coming down and retesting the lows again, which is something that I wasn't particularly expecting to happen, but it is interesting that it is coming into fruition. And you can see these massive potential bullish divergences that would play out if we did come down and test the extreme range low of this bear market. I've been predicting that we'll probably have a bounce to the upside, but obviously with Bitcoin's sharp projection from that 66k area at the resistance that everyone can see pretty plainly on the charts, a few big red candles have obviously seen the altcoin market getting a very significant retrace. You can see obviously Polygon no exception here. I thought we'd probably play out that W double bottom pattern that a lot of altcoins have been playing out, but it looks as though Polygon has decided instead that it's going to come down and retest the low again. You can see here, but obviously our RSI here decreasing in momentum to the downside. You can see there's really not that much impetus or desire for people to be selling at the lows. Lovely bullish divergences coming in. This is going to be one of the biggest bullish divergences in the whole market, and it could be the case that we come down, as you can see, this previous level of resistance here, resistance all the way down, this 1 2 3 4 5 wave move to the downside that we have been seeing. You can see this break to the upside. We came back and we broke out resistance again, consolidating and still going sideways at the lows here for the most part. No real impulsive moves either way, just kind of going sideways in a range, as you can see. But we could get a nice little retest, maybe to come down, grab some liquidity towards that range low of the bear market before a bounce, get a huge bullish divergence, and then get a bounce and a continuation to the upside. That could be the case. You can see here Polygon right now getting into some really juicy buying territory. I think there's much more desire to be buying this than selling this at these levels, in my opinion. There's not that many people left out there, I can imagine, that have got huge Polygon bags that are going to sell them at these levels. They are waiting to get back towards the all-time high. We're getting into a real area of demand, in my opinion. You can see, obviously this isn't the full chart. I had to switch charts because the Poloniex chart stopped working for some reason, which has the full price history. But obviously you can see here we've come into a big area of demand. This is where we bounced during the bear market in 2022, and now in this current bearish period of the market, we are basically just bouncing again in this area. Right now, I think Polygon's going to be fine. We're obviously just chopping sideways while they're just trying to shake everyone out of the markets before Bitcoin goes higher, and everything probably goes back towards all-time highs. We're seeing the evidence of that across the market, in my opinion. We're in those final stages now of that sideways chop for Bitcoin, in my opinion. The one last shakeout before they move to the upside. Overall, let's see what we can do. Make sure to get a trading bot from the description below. Sign up for Bybit for a huge 30k bonus down below as well, and like and subscribe for more.